Here is a Columbia River knife and tool Hammond Cruiser liner lock knife. It measures 5 1/4 inches closed, and it has a 3 3/4 inch black coated stainless modified clip point partially serrated blade with dual thumb studs. It does feature the lock safety system, and it has black Zytel handles. It includes the reversible black finish stainless pocket clip and dual lanyard holes, and it also has an extra pocket clip in the box with screws. It is item number 7914KN, and I'll take a little closer look at the knife now. There is one of the CRKT Hammond cruisers. I do have other models in this style available, but thanks for looking at the video.